There are some new efforts to buy the app TikTok in order to prevent a ban in the U.S. that's scheduled to take effect Sunday.
Some users, though, are migrating to other social media platforms owned by Chinese-based companies, including one with the same parent company as TikTok. NBC's Savannah Sellers has the latest.
You can't do this!
Time is running out for TikTok. The Supreme Court set to rule as soon as today whether or not to uphold a U.S. ban on the popular app. In a hearing last week, the justice is expressing skepticism over arguments by lawyers for TikTok that a ban on the app would violate users' First Amendment rights. The bipartisan law set to go into effect this Sunday stipulates TikTok must be sold away from its Chinese ownership because of national security concerns. Officials warn China could potentially steal users' data or manipulate content shown to Americans.
China is engaged in an ongoing and unrelenting effort to hack the United States. And now they've got a surveillance tool in everybody's pocket. The software doesn't just have funny videos. It also collects everywhere you go, everybody you talk to, everybody you work with.
TikTok denies they share data with the Chinese government, but now new names are surfacing as potential buyers for the platform.
Let's go, Elon.
Including Elon Musk, who owns X and is a close advisor to President-elect Trump, who now supports saving the app. Both Bloomberg and the Wall Street Journal, citing people familiar with discussions, say Chinese officials are weighing an option to allow Musk to take control.
I think the worst thing that could happen to TikTok besides getting shut down is Elon buying it.
Musk, who famously bought Twitter after joking about it, has said nothing, and TikTok calls the suggestion pure fiction. Former Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin previously launched an effort to buy it, and Shark Tank star Kevin O'Leary says he and other investors are also making a play.
We're the only syndicate that put a real bid in front of the company, in front of the bankers, in front of the shareholders, and in front of the Chinese government.
But perhaps the biggest hurdle, TikTok owner ByteDance says the platform isn't actually for sale. In the face of the looming ban, some users have flocked elsewhere.
Hello, TikTok refugees from the U.S. Welcome to Red Note.
I'm new here, and I came from TikTok.
Propelling two other Chinese-based platforms to the top spots in the app stores, with Red Note, an app similar to Instagram, now the top download, and Lemon8, also owned by ByteDance and similar to TikTok, just behind it. Those apps could also eventually face a ban due to their Chinese ownership and similar security concerns. Now, the ball is with the Supreme Court as we wait their decision on TikTok's appeal.
That was Savannah Sellers reporting.